Namaste, welcome to Yogasana. Today we will explore Surya Namaskar, the sun salutation, a practice that is at once physical exercise, breathing practice, and meditation in motion. The sun has been worshipped in every culture as a source of light, energy, and consciousness. In yoga, Surya represents not just the physical sun but also the inner sun, our awareness, clarity, and spiritual radiance. Surya Namaskar combines 12 powerful postures synchronized with breath and mantra, creating a practice that balances body, mind, and spirit. Physical benefits: improves spinal flexibility, tone muscles, stimulate cardiovascular and respiratory system. Psychological benefit: activates endocrine glands like thyroid, adrenal, pancreas. Balances metabolism. Mental benefits: reduces anxiety and stress, harmonize brain hemisphere through breath coordination. Energetic benefits: activates Pingla Nadi, solar channel, removes lethargy, builds vitality. Spiritual benefits: when done with mantra and awareness, it becomes a moving meditation, connecting us to the cosmic rhythm. Modern science also shows Surya Namaskar improves blood circulation, oxygen supply to the brain, and promotes better sleep cycle. Awareness: keep full awareness in the movement, breath, and mental state. Don't practice mechanically. Breath: every pose is linked with inhalation or exhalation. Breath should be smooth, never forced. Mantra: each posture has a corresponding mantra, invoking different qualities of the sun. Meditative quality: let each round becomes prayerful, body moving, breath flowing, mind still. I will guide you through one complete round with asana, breath, mantra, beginner's modifications, and advanced variations. First, pranam asana, prayer pose. Exhale. Alignment: feet together, palms joined at heart center, shoulder relaxed, spine erect. Breath: gentle exhalation, awareness at chest or heart. Mantra: Om Mitraya Namaha. Beginner's modification: if balancing is difficult, keep feet slightly apart. Advanced variation: close the eyes, focus on Anahat Chakra, heart center. Internally chant mantra. Second, Hastuttanasana, raised arm pose. Inhale. Alignment: stretch arms overhead, gently back arch, hips slightly forward, chest expands. Breath: inhale deeply, expanding lungs. Mantra: Om Ravye Namaha. Beginner's modification: keep arms shoulder width, arch less if back is stiff. Advanced variation: use Ujjayi breath, deepen arch, engage thighs and glutes for stability. Padastasana, hand to foot pose. Exhale. Alignment: bend forward from hips, hands beside feet. Breath: exhale fully, abdomen draws in. Mantra: Om Surya Namaha. Beginner's modification: bend knees if hamstrings are tight, rest palms on shin. Advanced variation: straighten legs fully, chest to thighs, try touching forehead to knees. Ashwashanchalanasana, equestrian pose. Inhale. Alignment: right leg back, left knees bent at 90 degree, palms on floor, chest forward. Breath: inhale, open chest. Mantra: Om Bhanave Namaha. Beginner's modification: drop the back knees on floor for support. Advanced variation: keep back leg straight and lifted. Deepen lunge, arms overhead in Anjaneya Asana style. Parvatasana, mountain pose. Exhale. Alignment: both feet back, hips lifted, heels towards mat, spine lengthen. Breath: exhale deeply. Mantra: Om Khagaya Namaha. Beginner's modification: bend knees, keep heels off mat if hamstrings are tight. Advanced variation: press heels fully, engage core, deepen stretch. Ashtang Namaskar, 8 limb salute. Retain breath. Alignment, knees, chest, chin to floor. Hips slightly raised. 8 points touching. Chin, chest, palms, knees, toes. Breath, hold breath out. Mantra, Om Pushne Namaha. Beginner's modification, lower chest slowly with knees down first. Advanced variation, transition smoothly without collapsing, keep elbows close to ribs. Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Inhale. Alignment, slide forward, lift chest, shoulder back, elbows close, hips and legs on floor. Breathe, inhale deeply. Mantra, Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Beginner's modification, keep elbow bent, lift chest slightly. Advanced variation, straighten elbows fully, gaze upward, deepen back bends. 8th, Parvatasana mountain pose. Exhale, return to inverted V shape. Mantra, Om Mariche Namaha. Modifications, same as step 5. Ashwashanchalanasana, equestrian pose. Inhale, left foot forward, right leg back. Mantra, Om Adityaya Namaha. Same modifications and variation as step 4. Padhastasana, hand to foot pose. Exhale, fold forward, hands beside feet. Mantra, Om Savitre Namaha. Same modifications and variations as step 3. Hastuttanasana, raised arms pose. Inhale, arms overhead, gentle arch. Mantra, Om Arkaya Namaha. Same modifications and variations as step 2. Pranamasana, prayer pose. Exhale, palms at heart, spine straight, awareness inward. Mantra, Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Beginners, feet slightly apart. Advanced, eyes closed, meditate on Anahat Chakra. Beginners, start with 2-3 slow rounds. Use props if needed, like blocks under your hands. Intermediate, practice 6 to 12 rounds with steady rhythm, coordinated breath. Advanced, use Ujjayi breath, chant mantras, visualize rising sun at each step. Practice 12 full rounds. Breathing patterns and meditative integration. Expansion, inhale. Contraction, exhale. Hold out in Ashtang Namaskar. Advanced, integrate Ujjayi Pranayam for subtle awareness. Meditative layer, visualize golden light filling your body or mentally chant Bij mantras with each posture. After completing rounds, lie in Savasana. Feel heartbeat, warmth, energy flow, and let the body absorb prana, mind rest in silence. Surya Namaskar is a complete yoga practice in itself. Asana, pranayam, mantra, and meditation. Start slowly, be consistent, and it will transform your body and mind. Stay connected with Yogasana for authentic yoga wisdom. If this practice inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Namaste.